Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted incoming and outgoing calls details or calls history. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it and then write E2 PDF, and in this time you can see E2 PDF SMS call backup register. So please open it. Please install this app and then open it and then click here and then proceed, click on it, and in this area you can see XML backup and register and then PDF backup printable. You can choose PDF backup printable and then click to continue, click on it. So you can choose and open general call log details, and then you can see date, month or year. So first of all I can choose and select my need date, month, year. So click on it and open, and then choose and select it your need date, month and year, and then done. And then you can see call log details, only dial calls, only missed calls, only received calls, and in this here write your file name and then export to PDF. Click here and then choose allow, and then again choose allow, click on it, and in this area you can see your all incoming and outgoing calls details or calls history in this here. And then you can see right top corner share option, click on it, and in this time you can easily share your incoming and outgoing calls details or calls history anyone. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted incoming and outgoing calls details or calls history or call log history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.